Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So once we have done the complete BOQ, right? Next, we are going to find one abstract. Okay, abstract in the sense, see, now everything we have found the quantity, but we want to check what is the cost of only the material. When we did the BOQ, what happened? BOQ includes your material as well as your labor cost, isn't it? So this will give me the total cost. Now I'll prepare. This is BOQ includes everything. This includes the contractor profit, then labor cost and everything. But for example, instead of that, I'll just find out only the material cost that will go into my project. Okay. For that, I'll prepare a material estimate, which I already made it here. And you also can prepare the same thing. Okay. I'll tell you, I mean, I cannot explain everything, but I think you can manage all these things. Okay. It's very simple Excel you need to apply. Okay. Anyhow, I'll create one Excel sheet here. New insert. Okay. Worksheets. Fine. I created one Excel sheet now. Okay. What you're supposed to do, try to prepare a column like this, like how I have done. No, you do one thing for footing. You can do with the way you want, but we'll do it according to the element. We have footing element, we have column element, then we have beam element. Okay. Then we have slab element, then we have staircase element, isn't it? Then we have lintel and chajja. I'll take together. I think how let me check how I have done it. Yeah, lintel, chajja, and the seal band. Lintel plus chajja. Forget about my spelling. Okay, I'm just typing it fast in front of you. Okay, and then PCC. PCC also will come, isn't it? There also your concrete will go. PCC will come in my footing plus plinth beam. Okay, fine. This much you can do. Good. So once you can do this, next we'll see what I've done. I've written concrete quantity. I'll find. For that concrete quantity, I'll find how much cement bag, sand, aggregate, and total material cost, and the shuttering, how much it will happen. So what I'll do, I'll just copy from here. You do on your own, okay? I'll not waste my time over that. I'll put it like this, okay? This much you can do, no? Concrete, you write. RCC, you write cement. Then you write sand. See, whatever we did, the same thing only we are supposed to do. Only the thing is now we'll get only the material estimate here. Okay, I think we'll add. See, now what happened? Footing I wrote here. Over there, this has come, but I cannot write it here. In that case, you do one thing. Keep your mouse here. Control and plus button. If you do, it will come down. Okay. Now it's okay. Otherwise, you what you do? You just unmerge it. Again, select on that. Say merge at center. Okay. Merge at center. And now you copy this. Now you say merge it. Okay. Okay. Now it's fine. No? Okay. We can go ahead with. Okay. This one I have to merge. In this way, I'll merge it. Okay. And now I'll do merge at center. Finish. Now it will look good. And then if you want, make one column like this. All borders. Bring everyone at the center. Make it bold. And then this part. Anything you can keep. Fine. Good. Fine. Now come to the footing part. In footing, how much concrete has gone? You can directly come and connect your sheet with this. Okay. I'll directly connect with my sheet with that. I think I cannot do that. Let me try. Plus I'll come to the foundation estimation. In foundation, how much concrete has gone? Total RCC foundation, total concrete quantity for footing. This much, no? Enter. Okay. It will not take. There's some error. You do one thing. We'll directly type it. Not required. How much I have written? 33.102. No? You'll get from here 33.102 footing. So come and write 33.102. Okay. 33.102. Finish. Okay. Fine. Now column you come. Column what you'll do? Come to the foundation estimation. Here, how much column concrete was there? Column concrete quantity up to the plinth beam top was 4.186. I'll write 4.186. 4.186 plus. Now come to the other part. Other part is where? This part, residential building. Here we don't have any column. Okay. This is your ground floor. Up to the plinth beam portion, we don't have any column. Go to the ground floor roof. Okay. Here we have column concrete. So what is our column concrete? It's written here. Total concrete quantity was written. Okay. So total ground floor column concrete quantity is 5.808. So I can write it 5.8. I'll do it for one. Rest you do on your own. Okay. Because again, it's simple task. You just have to add everything. Come to the first floor. So in the first floor column concrete quantity is 6.468 plus or directly from BOQ we could have taken, because in BOQ also we did the same thing, I feel. Okay, first floor. Now top of the roof. So here total second floor concrete quantity is 3.032036. Okay, 3.036. Add everything. Let me know what answer you are getting. 4.186 plus 5.808 plus 6.468 plus 3.036. Okay, so I'm getting almost 19.498 cubic meter. Let me check what I've got through my manual calculation. Okay, I hope it matches. Yeah, good. For 19.498. So here you input 19.498. Good. You can do all these things, no? Similarly, try for beam. In beam, we'll put plinth beam, ground floor beam, first floor and roof beam. Slab also you have to put. Staircase also you have to put. Lintel and chedja and sill concrete you put together. And in PCC, footing PCC we have. That if you want, I'll do. Footing PCC. I'll come here. Go to residential project. So here footing PCC. Total PCC quantity is 3.75. Sorry, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Okay, not this one. Wait. Foundation estimation. Yeah. Total PCC quantity is 3.750 plus again in the plinth beam. So in plinth beam we have one PCC quantity, no? So total plinth beam, yeah, total plinth beam PCC quantity 4 cubic meter. Enter. So 7.75 cubic meter. Yeah, 7.75. Rest, for beam it is 38.867. I'll copy these three things: beam, slab, and staircase and lintel charge. I'll control C and I'll put it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. You also should get the same values. Okay, fine. Now find the cement bag. Cement bag, we know that for all the calculation we have done for M20 grade of concrete, isn't it? So you just tell me how you're supposed to do. You know the calculation. You have become expert by this time. Just apply the formula here. Orally, you apply the formula. Simple. So plus 1.44 I'll do. You get, sorry, not 1.44. It is plus 1.54 because it is concrete quantity. I'll multiply this by ratio. For 1 cubic meter, I'll find 1 cubic meter. Okay. No, okay. I'll do it for 1 cubic meter. Later, I'll multiply that with this quantity. Okay. 1 cubic meter multiply by cement ratio is 1. Okay. I'll divide it by total ratio. So it is M20. So 1 plus 1.5 plus 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. Right. This is M20. Then whatever answer I get, I'll divide it by 0.0347. So this is my cement bag that is required for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade of concrete. But what you could have done, no? What you could have, instead of writing such a big formula, you can directly come here. We are done on costing sheet, isn't it? In the costing sheet, if you remember, we have already things ready with us. What is the things? What are the things that is ready with you? It is somewhere here. Here, right? For, yeah, this is cubic meter, no? Concrete quantity is at the top. Yeah, my concrete quantity is here. For 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. And for, I'll make this one, make this one, make this one. For 1 cubic meter, you require 9 bag of cement. Same thing I got. This is rounded off, 9 cement bag. So you could have taken 9 and look at the sand. You should get 14.83. I'll match the answer, 14.83. Okay, come here. Material cost. Yeah, 8.069. When you round it up, you can take it to 9 bag. No problem. Now, whatever answer you got, no, you multiply by 33.10 because this is a total concrete quantity that we have in footing. First I did for 1 cubic meter. Now I'll multiply by the total volume. Finish. So 267 cement bag is required. See here, 268 I've done because I've rounded it up. Okay, you also can round up. No problem. Okay, good. Now come to the sand part. Sand, how we are going to do? Same thing. Now what you do, you just drag it. This you have to just drag it. Okay, up to here you drag it. And you check the answers, whether it's matching or not. 158, 314, 157, 314, correct. Then 493, 61. Yeah, 492, 61, and 390. So this is plinth beam. This PCC quantity, you cannot drag. Why? Because PCC, the ratio what we took is 1 is to 3 is to 6 ratio is what we have taken. So based on that, your calculation also will change. No? So one thing you can do, you can drag it. You drag it and now you come and change here. So it will be, this ratio will be 3, 1 is to 3 is to 6, right? Ratio will be 1 is to 3 is to 6 for PCC, for which is M10. and rest all things are okay, no problem. Now you do the calculation. 34 bags of cement bag is required. Yeah, 35 I got it. Now you're getting my point. So I did that small change because PCC ratio is 1:3:6. Fine, this you're done. Now come to the sand part. Again sand, what I'll do, I'll directly take that answer from here. I'll not do the same calculation. On the costing, I know if I'm using 1:1.5:3 ratio, I require 14.83 CFT of the sand for 1 cubic meter. So 14.83 you have to remember and just multiply by the volume. That's it. Okay, material cost. Yeah, what I can do is 14.83. Okay, I'll multiply 14.83 with how much? This concrete quantity. Wait. Yeah, plus this I'll multiply with this quantity. Done. So 490 CFT of sand is required. See, 491 I got. Now your task is very simple. Just drag it. Up to here, you drag it. Okay. See, 289. This is also 290. 577. 576. Okay. Then 905. This is also 905. 110. 11111. 718. And this will be 717. Last one, what you're supposed to do? Last one, you can drag it. No, we will not drag it. We have to apply the formula because this is okay. What we can do, no? We go to the costing part. Ratio is 1:3:6, no? Okay, come here. Make 1:3:6, and from here you see how much CFT of sand is required. So you require 16.31 CFT of sand. So fine. Now you take 16.31. Take this 16.31 and multiply this by 7.75. Wait. 16.31 multiply by 7.75. You'll get 123 CFT of sand. We'll cross check. Okay. Why it's not matching? 1.4. No, sand. Yeah, this is 115. No, it's not matching. 1.54 multiply by D22 into 1.5. Okay, sand is 1.5. No, yeah. Okay, rest everything was matching. Only this is not matching. No problem. We'll go with the normal calculation. Okay, we'll start. See, whenever you forget anything, no, you just go with the fundamentals. The fundamentals is 1.54 multiply by how much? 1 cubic meter multiply by sand ratio. The sand ratio is 3 in this case. Good, yeah. The sand ratio is 3 in this case. Okay, and then you divide this by total ratio, which is 1 plus 3 plus 6. Close the bracket. Done. Then you divide this by 0.0347. Good, correct, right? Yeah. So you get 13.31. And now what we are supposed to, we want to find the sand quantity. Okay, fine. One mistake we did. Like since it's a sand quantity, no, you have to multiply this by 35.31 CFT, not that. Okay, now you do that. 16.31. Now you multiply this by the quantity. Quantity is 7.75. Okay, now you should get the answer. Yeah, 126. Correct. Then this is also matching. Maybe here I have done a mistake. So here the mistake is 35.31 I have done. 1 plus 1. Okay, see the mistake what I did is, no, I took the ratio as 1 plus 1.5:3. The actual ratio should have been 1:3:3. Yeah. So this is how you try to verify your answers. If you go wrong, your fundamental should be good. Okay. Now also it's not coming. Sand is 64 this time. Anyhow. So let me check out. So round up 1.54 multiply by D22. Where is D22? This is 22. Okay. Fine. I took fine. Multiply. Okay. See again, this multiply by 1.5 I have done. This is wrong, no? Because sand is 3. 1:3:3. 3:6 is sand quantity. Now you should get exactly. See, now you got the answer. 127. This answer is also matching. Good. Now these things you can round up. Okay. You do the round up and then you can drag it. If you want, I'll do it for one. ROUND. Round up. Open the bracket. Then here put one dash 0. Close the bracket. Enter. So 268. Now you drag this. Everywhere will follow the same formula. 63, no? Last answer. It's matching. Somewhere we are going wrong. Here 63, how it came? 391. 63, it's coming. Okay, here also that mistake has happened. Yeah, see, here also we did mistake. What is the mistake? Mistake is this ratio is 1:3:6 ratio. 1:3:6. 3:6 ratio. I think now it should be correct. Yeah, 35, 35. Yeah, exactly. See, now it's matching. Okay, good. Same here also you do it. You can round up, right? Round up. ROUND up, open the bracket. Okay, put comma, 0, close the bracket, enter. So 491, here also 491 you got. You just drag it. It will take everywhere, it will take that same symbol. 115 you got. Here also 115 you got. So again, it's not matching, no? Somewhere we are going wrong. Where we are going wrong? This is 14.83. Okay, why did the answer? Actually, I should have. Last time I got 126. I don't know where we are going wrong. Anyhow, we'll rectify that. 14.83 into this. No problem. I think we'll do one thing. I'll take it out. I'll strike it out. Okay, this is the right way of doing. I'll copy the same thing. I'll put it here. Okay, and now we'll do the changes. Okay, so it has taken E12. E12 it has taken. You should not take E12. It will be 7.75. Now we should get the answer. Yeah, 126 we're getting. Here also 127. Now you just round up. Okay, wait. I'll round it up. ROUND round up. Why it's taking that value, I'll tell you. Because we are dragging it from the top, no? Your top, everything is M20 grade. This is M20 grade. And here it is M10 grade. So when you drag, what will happen? It will consider even this is M20. That is the reason you are getting different values. So don't drag it. You take it separate for this, and this is the answer what I'm supposed to get. So you can confirm it my previous answer. 127. Good. Up to here we finish. Now aggregate what you're supposed to do. Aggregate, it's very simple. You just have to multiply this by 2 times because your ratio is 1:1.5:3, no? See, one thing you remember. From here to here, for M20, the ratio is how much? 1:1.5:3. Okay. From sand and aggregate, sand is 1.5 and aggregate is 3. So 1.5 into 2, if I do 3, I'll get, isn't it? So whatever answer you got here, no, you just multiply this by 2. You don't have to do the same calculation. Take this value, multiply it by 2, finish. Your answer is ready. Then drag it. Up to here, you drag it. Finish. And now verify that. You'll get the same thing. 981, 982. Okay. You got 578. You got 580. Okay. No problem. You got 1152. You got 1154. Because here the roundup is not done. If I do roundup, it will match. If you want, I'll do the roundup. Okay. ROUND up, round up, open the bracket. Then you comma 0, close the bracket, done. Now it will match and drag it up to here. And this also you round up. ROUND round up, open the bracket. Okay, dash and 0, close the bracket. Good. 230 we got. We should get the same answer. Okay, here I know why it's not coming. 1436 we got. Last one, why it's not coming? The reason is very simple. 127 is correct, no? Yeah. So double of 127 will be how much? 127 into, okay, fine. Yeah, here you see, observe here. Yeah, I understood that. See, why it's not double into 2? Because this is PCC. For PCC, the ratio is different, no? For PCC, the ratio is 1:3:6. 3:6. Okay. So then also it should be same only because 3 2s are 6. From 3, if I want to go to 6, 2 times I need to multiply. So this also should be multiplied by 2 times only. So 127 into 2, if I do, it is 254. Then why it is coming 230 here? Don't know. Let me go with this. This multiply by 2 I should do. 254 is correct. But here the answer is not coming, but we'll verify. Whenever you go, yeah, see, the problem is here again. I took 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Okay. So I did that mistake. No problem. If I done, I know how to rectify it. So you're supposed to do mistake and you're supposed to rectify it. Okay. Now what is the problem? Again, it's coming 127. So how it is 127? Again, maybe somewhere we have done a mistake. Yeah, the mistake is here. See, 3, no, it's not 3. It should be 6. Yeah, now it will come. Exactly. 253 we got, no? It is not rounded. Okay, it is rounded up. Now it is correct. We got 254 here. No problem. Everything is correct. Okay. So there is no problem with that answer. Yeah, correct. Up to here you understood now how I have done it. Now is total material cost. So how we'll do the total material cost? You'll multiply this by, okay, how we'll do total material cost? Okay, fine. Total material cost what I have done, no? Now look at the present market rate. Your sand is available, cement bag is available for 400 rupees, 150 kg bag. Sand rate is, I think, going on sand rate, I'll tell you. Sand rate you take 40 rupees and aggregate you take 42 rupees per CFT. Okay, I'll do the same thing now. So what I'll do, plus you open the bracket, 268, that is this one. Cement bag you multiply by 400 rupees, that is a market rate. Whatever rate is going on in your area, you can take it, or depends on what brand you are using. 491 is my aggregate sand in CFT. So per CFT it is 40 rupees in my area plus aggregate. So aggregate it is, see, when such condition arises, now I cannot click on this. You see the number, this is H and this is falling in 9. So directly type H9, it will take that. Okay, multiply by 42, close the bracket, finish. You got the material cost, 1,68,084 rupees. Same thing you got here, 1,68,000. Now what you're supposed to do, right click, go to the format cells, go to the currency, rupees is there, and say okay. Now you just drag it, finish. You will get the answer. Same thing we got, no? Exactly. We got now shuttering. Shuttering, what you're supposed to do, shuttering already I've done and kept it here. See, I know footing shuttering, column shuttering, beam shuttering I have. So I'll just copy the same thing, and shuttering many times I've explained you. This is shuttering quantity. I'm not putting any rate to that. Just to get the quantity, I'm doing that. Okay, finish. Okay, it's coming reference, no? Reference means I copied it from somewhere else. No problem. Shuttering, you apply the same thing. I'll not do. I already done it. Okay. Now I'll give you the total now. So total will be how much concrete quantity is required and all that total I'll do. Okay, fine. Total is required. Total, what you do? Come and keep your mouse here. Go to auto sum. It will take everything. Okay. Finish. Enter. And again, same thing. Keep your mouse here. It will take enter. Same here. Auto sum. It will take everything. Enter. Auto sum. Or not sum. Auto sum. Wait. Okay. Take from here. Okay. Enter. Auto sum. Take from here. Finish. You get 10,87,000. Same thing you got. Okay. 86 we got. We got 87 here. No problem. So that's it. Finish. Total material cost only for the this thing I've done. All your concrete, cement and all, how much it will cost now I've given you here. I haven't gone with the interior part so far. That I'll take it later. Up to here you understand the concept, how it has to be done. Then you can give all those decorations that you want to do. Okay, bring it at the center. If you want to make it in red color or maybe some other color you want to do, you can do it. Make it little bold. Fine, finish. So I got 10 lakh. If I want to put in dollars, I'll put in dollars. Okay, divide by 80 I'll do. This is my dollars price. Go to format cells. Format cells. Currency. Put dollar. Finish. $13,589 it will cost you. Only the material cost, right from footing, column, beam, slab, staircase, lintel, pieces, all the concrete work that you're supposed to do, including your RCC, everything material cost will cost you around 10 lakh rupees. The same thing I got here, 10,86,988 I got here. I got 10,87,000. Hardly any difference is there. Okay, that is because of the round of what I've done. That is why the difference is coming. Simple. Yeah. Again, what you can do, what I've done here. Yeah. Okay. Again, if you want to bifurcate, this is the total material cost. No, only cement, how much it will cost. So total number of cement bag multiply by 400 you do. Okay, this is your only cement. If you want only the aggregate cost, sand cost, multiply by 40. If you want only the aggregate cost, multiply this by 42. Whatever is going on in your area, you should add it, and now it should match with the final answer also. Okay. Now add all these things, it should match with this value. If I add everything, no, this value plus this value plus this value should be equal to this value. It's matching, isn't it? See, Same thing. Done. So in this way, I explained you how to prepare the material estimate. So when your client or somebody asks you, see, I'll tell you one thing. Yeah. So when your client asks me, tell me the material cost. If you tell your client, if you give him all this sheet, no, he'll never understand. Or if you are giving your sheet to the non-technical person or your client, you just give him like this. See, this is how much it will cost. First, you'll give the BOQ. See, this is how you'll give. First, you'll give him one BOQ, like this is the total cost, and he has to understand, no, what is the contractor rate that you have put. After that, once you give that, then you give him the material estimate. Material estimate you are going to do like this. That only for material it will cost you this much. So this much amount it will cost you for the material. This is how I have done. You can give this one. Okay, this is only for your this thing, excluding your interior work. In the next lecture, I'll teach you for masonry work, outside plastering, inside plastering, ceiling plastering, wall putty, flooring, tiles. All these things we'll do later. Total, we'll see how much it will cost. Okay. Up to here, you prepare the Excel sheets. I won't be sharing the Excel sheet. The reason is that you have to prepare your own Excel sheet and you apply your own mind. Whatever way you want to prepare an Excel sheet, you can do it. I'll just show you one more Excel sheet. You can even try to, you can follow what I've done. Okay. You can even do this one. See, this is one of the Excel sheet what I have. This is how they have done. Okay. See, PCC work has done like this. This much cement is required. kg, CFT, how much bag is required. Whatever I explained, this guy has done something like this. So whichever way you want, you can do it. Okay. Whatever I told you, you can follow that. Not an issue. Okay. You can follow something like this. Good. So try to prepare up to here. In the next lecture, we'll speak about the masonry work, outside plastering, inside plastering, ceiling and all. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.